Hey everybody, this is John with Reliable Service Company. I just got done fitting this new disposal and drain system in to this cabinet, but we had some issue here of rotting. So it's going to be impossible to replace this cabinet. So I'm going to show you what I do here to both reinforce this and prevent any of this kind of an issue from happening again. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the remedy. I took some 3/4 inch particle board and replaced the bottom, screwed that in place, and then over the top I put a waterproof pan liner, which will help prevent any future water damage, hopefully. So kind of an easy fix to do, but something that looks much better and allows for better waterproofing in the future. Thanks and have a good day.